Hello everyone, this is Axe, and in today's video I'll be explaining the difference between a modem and a router. A lot of people often confuse these devices, thinking they're the same thing, but they actually serve a separate role in a network. First, let's talk about a modem. So, if you want internet access in your home or business, you need a modem. A modem connects to your internet service provider, so ISP, and establishes a dedicated connection that gives you internet access. The reason a modem is necessary is it's because computers use digital signals while internet data travels in analog signals. And the modem demodulates the incoming analog signal into a digital one that the computer can understand. Similarly, it modulates the outgoing digital signal from your computer back into an analog one for the internet. This is where the term modem comes from. It's short for modulator demodulator. Now, after the modem, the router comes into play. The router distributes the internet connections to all your devices, like computers, tablets, and phones, within your home or office. A typical small office or home office router also has multiple ports or wired connections and works as a wireless access point for wireless devices. While you technically don't need a router if only one device needs internet access, most homes and businesses have multiple devices that need to connect, which is where the router becomes essential. There are also different types of modems. The two most common are cable modems and DSL modems. Now, the cable modems connect via a coaxial cable, typically provided by companies like Comcast, while DSL modems use a standard phone line and are usually provided by companies like AT&T. Sometimes your internet service provider or ISP may provide you with a modem router combo, which is a single device that functions as both a modem and a router. So to give you a better idea, imagine a few network examples. One network uses a cable modem and a small home office router to connect various devices like a computer and a tablet. Another network uses a DSL modem and router for connecting computers, laptops, and tablets. Business networks typically use a business router and a cable modem to connect more complex devices like computers and servers. And finally, regarding hubs and switches, many routers already have built-in switches, which means you may not need a separate switch. Um, and a switch is used to expand the number of wire devices you can connect to the network. If you do need more connections, simply connect a switch to your router. In summary, the internet passes through a series of routers, first reaching the modem, then the router with its switch, and finally being distributed to your devices. So I hope this clears up the difference between a modem and a router, everyone. Hopefully this video was, detailed enough to give an idea of, how these work. in an office, business, or home. Um, so yeah,